Take a ride in the 2020 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.